Russian salad with shrimp. Let's prepare it together. Dice the peeled carrots. Dice the potatoes as well. Cook the carrots and potatoes in salted boiling water. Add the peas and cook them as well. Drain and set aside. In a separate pot, boil the cleaned shrimp, then drain. Make 2 hard-boiled eggs. Prepare the mayonnaise. In a blender cup, add 1 egg, vinegar, and salt, and start blending. Slowly drizzle with the seed oil. Combine the mayonnaise with the boiled vegetables. Mix well. Arrange the mayonnaise-coated vegetables on a plate in a semi-spherical shape. Cut the hard-boiled eggs into quarters. Garnish the Russian salad with shrimp and top with the egg quarters. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.